try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Say she want a black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel a black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Take me, take me, take me home. Take me, take me, take me home. She wanna go Ghana, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. She wanna go Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Say she love a brown choco man.
Hi guys, so breakfast is over and now just having a tea. The breakfast was very good, I must say. It was very rich and it was very cheap compared to Belgium. Now we're gonna be going out and exploring. So let me just finish my English tea and we're gonna be going out and explore.
Ghana, motherland, Ghana. She wanna go Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Say she want a black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel a black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel a black in skin. Say she need a romance. Say she want a black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel a black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Take me, take me, take me home. Take me, take me, take me home. She wanna go Ghana, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. She wanna go Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Say she love a brown choco man, dark skin man. Say she love them dark and strong. Brown choco man. Say she love a brown choco man, dark skin man. Say she love them dark and strong. Brown choco man. Take me, take me, take me home. Take me, take me, take me home. Say she want a black king who can do the right thing. Loving a black queen, sweet melanin.
Hi guys, so we are here at this Rufino restaurant here in Prague with a new friend, of course. She's the one filming. Her name is Renata. So we're going to be having this. I can't pronounce the name. I don't know what the name, but it's something like. I can't pronounce the name, but it's going to be very nice. And I'm having a beer. Of course, I love beer. I mean, I'm not a beer person, I'm a wine person, right? But for the first time, I love this. And yes, so. Basically, it's beef with cream with what is this, dumpling? It's a dumpling, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're about to munch up, so I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes. So stay tuned. It's a boy Kristen.
She want to feel a black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Take me, take me, take me home. Take me, take me, take me home.
Hi guys, so I'm now at the Christmas market in Prague, and it's pretty looks the same as Belgium Christmas market or Germany or anywhere I've been to. It looks very similar, and the people are very happy. It's very cold, of course. I'm loving everything here. So we are here at the Christmas market and we're just exploring. So check it out.
Men, say she love a brown choco men, dark skin men, say she love them dark and strong, brown choco men. Take me, take me, take me home. Take me, take me, take me home. Say she want a black king who can do the right thing, loving a black queen, sweet melanin with a right king. She wanna go Ghana, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. She wanna go Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Say she want a black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel her black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel her black in skin. Say she need a romance.
Hi guys, so we come to the end of my trip, but I think the night is still young and crisping. I'm gonna be sleeping like this, no way. I think I'm gonna be going out. I'm now close to my my place, and I'm just checking stuff here to see what I can do, and probably just go have some tea, and then we'll see what I can do next. So yes, the night is over, but it ain't over yet for crisping. So it's like it's freezing, like as you can see. Like you see, it's snowy, very, 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 very snowy. So yeah, that is the bad side. But apart from that, I think it's cool. You know, it's a fun place and it's cool. So yep. So yeah, we're still in it. So we'll see. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to just release some stress, take some rest, take a shower, and then hit the bar. Because I'm not been to the bar yet, and you know. The bar is the highlight of my trip, you know, just to have a night's life of Prague. All right. Yep.
Loving the black queen, sweet melanin with a right king. She wanna go Ghana, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. She wanna go Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Make her take her to my mother Ghana, motherland, Ghana. Say she want a black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel her black in skin. Say she need a romancing. Black skin king. She love the way me dark and clean. She want to feel her black in skin. Say she need a romancing.
Hey guys, I'm here at the dog bar, and trust me, it's a beautiful place. I love the theme. The drinks are so good, and I urge you all guys to come here. When you come to Prague, come to this dog bar. It's the best place. And of course, this place, we have this guy called Nicholas. He's my cameraman. I'm gonna leave his Instagram account on my page, so go and follow this guy. He's great, and I'm having a drink now. Cheers.
But really, no offense.
It's a vibe.
I love the country.
Hi guys, so my trip from Prague has come to an end, and it's a bittersweet because I really enjoyed myself. Although it was a short trip, I really enjoyed myself, and the place is very cool, but currently it's very chilly here. So I have to tell you guys, if you plan to come to Prague in December, you should know that it's going to be very cold.
the snows are still falling and the road are very slippery, because today, in fact yesterday, I slipped and fell like 3 times and I actually have a fracture on my wrist. But however, aside from this, it's a very beautiful place, and the food is very good, and I tested most of the local dishes, and it's relatively cheap, you know. So yeah. But of course, if you're looking for a place to have a chill, like a drink and all over, please holler at Crispin. I have the best pubs. Of course, I'm going to leave all the links in my description box, so if you have any questions, just ask me, then I'm going to be answering you guys. However, most of the hostels are like 1 hour away from the airport. The airport is not close to the city center. It's like 1 hour drive, so you have to check that and also calculate your time before you arrive. As we we're speaking now, it's around 4 o'clock and we are still at the airport here. I'm having my coffee. I have a friend from Portugal. He's the one filming me right now, and he's also have a flight at 7 o'clock, so we had to arrive here earlier. So I couldn't sleep. There was no sleep for me because I went to the pub and I just ran from the pub straight to the airport. So if you have enough time, please, you should do what I did. It's a risky though, but if you want to do it, just do it. For your own sake. If not, if I should miss my flight, I'm going to be paying money and I don't want to pay extra fee. So here I am. But in a nutshell, I really enjoyed Prague. Prague is so, whatever I pictured, however I pictured Prague, that's what I saw. So it was given, it was serving. So guys, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and family. Crispin is here to get you served and covered. So come to Prague and have a nice time. I love you guys and have a nice day. Bye all.